Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Frontier long bed versus short bed. We will explore the key differences between these two popular truck bed options. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for selecting the perfect Frontier to match your lifestyle and work requirements. We will cover dimensions, practical uses, and how each bed type affects driving dynamics. Let's dive into the details to help you make an informed decision. The long bed Frontier provides a substantial advantage for hauling larger items. With its generous length, you can transport materials like 8-foot lumber or longer recreational gear without needing extensions. This extra capacity is ideal for contractors or those with frequent, bulky loads. However, remember that the extended wheelbase can reduce maneuverability, making urban driving and parking a bit more demanding. The short bed Frontier excels in agility and everyday convenience. Its more compact design makes it much easier to park in tight spaces and navigate busy city streets or off-road trails. While it offers less raw cargo volume, it's perfectly suitable for most daily tasks, groceries, or smaller gear. For occasional longer items, a bed extender can easily bridge the gap, offering flexibility without sacrificing maneuverability. Ultimately, your choice between the Nissan Frontier long bed and short bed depends on your priorities. If you frequently haul long or bulky items for work or recreation, the long bed's extra capacity is invaluable. If you prioritize maneuverability, easier parking, and a more compact footprint for daily driving, the short bed is likely your best fit. Both options offer robust performance, so weigh your needs carefully. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.